Hey everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Naveen. I run a 30-minute free consultation call for directory and community site development. So many people they reach out to me to discuss things. Recently, a few people they asked me this question like whether they should go for building their directory website using the vibe coding platform like Lovable or Base 44 or whether they should go for WordPress and GeoDirectory. And before giving them any random advice, I thought let's first explore the Lovable platform. So I have built a directory website using Lovable vibe coding, and in this video, I will be sharing my experience with you. So this is the Lovable platform, lovable.dev, and if you just scroll down here, you can see my projects. So these are the different projects that I created using Lovable. Among them, the directory engine is the one where I played for creating directory website using Lovable. So I'll click on it, and this project is here. On the left hand side, you get an option to wipe code with Lovable, and on the right hand side, you can see the preview of the website. If I click on this link, then I can open this website in a new tab, and here we can see the full view of this website. So basically I coded everything through vibe coding. So if I just scroll on the top, you'll see here I have given it a full instruction of what I need, what kind of features I'm expecting. And after giving the entire instruction to Lovable have converted it into phases. Phase 1, phase 2 kind of things. Okay, so this is how it created it. And then after iterating for phase 1, phase 2, I also discovered some of the issues, some of the UI issues that it made. And if I give it a prompt, it instantly fix it. So like other vibe coding, similarly in Lovable also you can fix things by giving it a proper command. So you can read the entire chat, as you can see here. So I done different kind of chat with this Lovable AI platform, and it developed this website for me. So if I talk about this website, then this website is very basic directory website where it have a home page where you can filter results by different kind of categories. And if you click on the listing, you will see a listing page, very basic listing page. In the browse section, you will see archive of listings. You have an option for add a restaurant where you can add your restaurant. Then you have user account. One more thing is that in Lovable, since there is no backend, you will have to build a backend too. And if I go back to their editor again, here you see three dots. Through it you can see all the files that is associated with this project. From the code you can see all the code that is working behind this website. You can download this code base too. And from the more section you will see some of more setting of Lovable. For example, Lovable have a Lovable cloud, and where you can see the AI features provided by Lovable, the email handling feature. Database also is part of Lovable cloud. So all the data, all the listing that you see here, all the review that will be added in this listing, all the users register will be stored in Lovable cloud database. You have an option to connect other third-party database like Supabase, MySQL or other thing, but that will require further step. You have an option to check your users, and you can see here there are different kind of options that you have. Have an option to see the logs, and from the users section you can track all the different kind of tools that you are using and what's the uses, how much you have covered till now. And if you just hover over this heart, you will have some more tab here, and from here you can connect different kind of application to your Lovable app. So like Google Sheet, other that there are many things that it provide as a connector. And if you have seen, Lovable is a handy tool, and you can easily create an entire website or application just by vibe coding. But let's talk about where it falls apart. The number one point which I have seen is Lovable is token based, like you have to purchase credits. Like you have seen, I have purchased 100 credits and $25. And whenever you create an application, you lose some credits. And you can create application until and unless you have the credits. And every month you will have to refill them like a subscription. So when you vibe code things, you don't have any idea like how much um, credit it gonna lose of mine. So you have no idea. So the cost is unpredictable in this case. The second downside of Lovable is the data ownership. So in Lovable, as you have seen in whenever you create a directory site in Lovable, you get Lovable cloud database. All the files, all the images will get stored in the Lovable cloud, and the data is also maintained in Lovable. That data is basically owned by Lovable, and you have to think about is, can you transfer that data to some other platform one day? Like in WordPress and GeoDirectory, you always have this option like to migrate WordPress from one hosting to other hosting, or to migrate the database from one hosting provider to another hosting. But do you have this option in Lovable? I have seen like here Lovable is lacking. That data is SEO reality. So directory sites lives or die on SEO. That's the entire business model of a directory website, to be discoverable. If I talk about GeoDirectory, it's being in the market from so many years, and it is specifically built for building directory website. So there are a few inbuilt options available in GeoDirectory for handling SEO, and also it supports Yoast and Rank Math. So WordPress Yoast and Rank Math are very popular WordPress plugin for handling SEO and AIO GEO. So WordPress gives you this ability. On the other hand, if I talk about Lovable, if you wants to make any changes in the meta or make any changes in the page SEO keywords or like that, you will have to vibe code that thing. The next point is the plugin extension ecosystem. So if I talk about WordPress, one day if you want to add a booking or a review or maybe a paid listing option or a membership tier in your directory website, you are just one add-on away from it. But if I talk about Lovable, the vibe coding platform, if you need one more feature, then you will have to vibe code it, and you will have to hope for nothing get bricks. So this is somewhere I feel like a downside of Lovable, because you have to wipe code, and sometimes the AI work in a weird manner. So when you wipe code things and you give it a command, and in any way if the AI understood it, some or misunderstood you, in other word, then it will build something, and you will never know that there is a bug unless and until you test that thing. So that's the case. The next point is long-term maintenance. Who fixes this in 8 months when something breaks? With WordPress, basically there is a massive developer ecosystem, including us. With AI generated app, you stuck reprompting and hoping nothing breaks. The next point is cost over time. This is not one-time bill. Lovable is a subscription base, and once you are not paying, what happened to the app or website that you have built? With WordPress, basically you get an option to switch between different service hosting service provider, and the site and the data is always yours. But in Lovable, I've seen it, it look like you get bound to Lovable subscription, no matter if you earn money from that website or not. None of this means the AI builders are bad. I will say they are incredible when you want to build prototype or MVPs or internal tool for your applications or for yourself. But if I talk about building a real directory website that makes money for years, I feel like Lovable still lack in it, or any vibe coding platform, they lack in it. So here is my honest verdict. If you want to validate an idea over a weekend, I will suggest Lovable is genuinely an impressive choice, and I would use it again for that. But If you are serious about building a directory website that ranks, that scales, that make money for years, WordPress and GeoDirectory is still the right foundation. So if you are still wondering what is right for your directory website, whether you should choose this tool or that tool, you can book a 30-minute free consultation call and we can discuss it together. And before ending this video, I would like to say that if you need any development help related to directory site or community site or anything related to AI automation or development, you can hire us at buddydevelopers.com. I will provide the link of the site in the description of this video. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. Bye bye.